Hi guys, recently, these amazing AI jelly object videos have been going viral across social media. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to create your own realistic jelly videos with AI, even if you have no experience. Method 1. AI Marvels app. This method is perfect for mobile users. First, open ChatGPT. Tap GPTs and search for AI jelly object video generator. Open it. Tap Give me 10 ideas and follow the instructions. As you can see, it will generate 10 creative jelly object ideas for you. Let's take the jelly kitten as an example. Type 5 and submit it. Then, it will automatically generate a complete video prompt. Next, ask ChatGPT to create the first frame in a 9:16 aspect ratio. Once it's ready, save the image and copy the video prompt. Now, open the AI Marvels app. Tap AI Lab, choose AI Video, and use the image to video feature. Import the image. Paste the video prompt, select the Cdance 2.0 model, and tap Generate. And there you have it, a cute and realistic AI jelly cat video like this. Method 2. HitPaw VikPea. The second method is better for PC users. This time, we can directly use the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Open HitPaw VikPea on your desktop. I'll also put the official link in the description. Click AI Video Generator, select the text-to-video feature, choose the Cdance 2.0 model, and paste your prompt. You can then customize settings like duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Finally, click Generate, and it will create your own AI jelly object video like this. Alright, that's how you can easily create viral AI jelly videos with AI tools. Hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content and tutorials. Thanks for watching.